What is it, boy? What is it, boy? Stay down. Yeah. They're barking at it. They're barking at it. Tell them to hush. Tell them to hush. Hey guys, it's John. You're in your garage with Bigfoot. See, I got my grill rocking. Got the veggies on. It takes them a lot longer to cook than it does steaks. So I'm out here in the garage because it's rainy, it's cold, and I want to do this show me your steak challenge. So really couldn't get really don't have a place to go to the woods anymore per se, other than going over to the park, and don't really have a good place to have a fire out there, other than to rent a campground, a camping spot there. I figured this would be quite easy enough, and it's not all about being in the woods doing the steak. It's more about the subject matter that they were looking at. This is my show me your steak challenge video, and when I saw this from Haze Outdoors, I thought I've got to participate in this one. It's something good, something real good to spread the word about men's mental health. And guys don't talk so much about that. So I want to put my 2 cents worth in. A lot of people don't know it, but I do suffer from anxiety. As I told in my last video, if you saw that, I told it that my uncle suffered with it, and when he was alive and suffering with anxiety, he didn't talk about it. Or at least he didn't talk to me about it. I know that Mom knew a good bit about what he was going through, but he was a man's man. He's a big hunter and big outdoorsman, and he just didn't talk about stuff like that, you know. So I wanted to break that cycle, to let people know that it is okay to talk about your mental health. And I've got I had a few people that I was going to tag in it. I spoke with them, and they're not able to, but I'm still going to tag some people at the end of the video. Just guys know that it's okay to talk to somebody. I've been to a counselor before. It don't hurt. It don't hurt a bit. They does you some good. It'll just let it out. You'll learn learn a good bit about yourself doing that. But let me get these steaks and get them on. We'll go farther. Y'all hang on just a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Now mind you, that's not just my steak. It's I'm cooking for the whole family tonight, so with that, see, I'm not just cooking. You won't get to see me eat my steak. I'm not gonna do that. But you get to see my steak. And yes, I'm cooking on the grill, on a gas grill. I'm not bushcrafting, but it's not all encompassing to our lives. But anyhow, that's it's gonna be a little short, sweet video. I want to tag Saline Scott. See him cook a steak. He's he play harmonica and cook steak, and I guess I'm gonna leave the rest of it open. If you want to do this, if you feel like that you're supposed to do this, if you feel like this is something that you need to do, by all means. And everybody on the NBA, consider yourself tagged. If you want to do this, put it out there and do it. And that's as old boy would say. That's all I got to say about that. But anyhow, y'all take care of yourselves, physically and mentally. Get out in the woods, do your thing. Get out and have yourself an adventure. That's really good for the mental. You may not be able to tell it by me, but anyhow, y'all get out, have yourself a good time, and as they say on NBA, go farther, stay longer. Really drinking water. Y'all have a good. Thank you. Just about done. How you like it?